You ready for this?
Painful.
Not winter time, just so you know. Well,
hey you guys, it's Mollie and Ben with Design Loves Detail. Today we are at this new
flip house
that we are taking on. It sat on the market for a while and no one else wanted it, so we bought it.
We just bought it and I haven't seen it, so.
But you can tell by this guy, it's gonna be a fun little tour.
Yeah, I'm a little nervous because I haven't seen it
I'm gonna film Ben's reaction because he literally hasn't been inside. I came yesterday and it was literally worse than I remembered walking through.
Which made me feel great, so pretty excited.
He's nervous.
Doesn't smell great, so, oh boy, what is this? Okay. Does anyone know when this TV was made? Not anytime recently. I think my sister had one of these. And
massive.
Okay. What do you call these? I don't even know what to call these.
Cornice boards.
Oh my gosh. It smells awful in here. It's not great. There is a wall of mirrors.
There it is.
Can we get rid of the wall of mirrors? Wow. This will go, obviously.
Have you even looked at the carpet, love?
Oh, I don't know that I want to look at the carpet. There are still snacks on the carpet. Oh my gosh, it's so gross. I'm so grossed out right now.
Ben's like a neat freak, you guys. I'm like the messy one of the couple. I mean, obviously this still grosses me out, but like, this is his worst nightmare.
Okay. Can we just remind everybody, Mollie bought this? There was a rug here for decades, possibly.
Yeah. Like both of the colors, the color it originally was and the color it is now, both are like equally hideous.
Oh my gosh, I would say the original color is worse. Has to be original carpet. It's over here too. So many thoughts right now. Oh, well, we don't need to get a TV though, so I think that's a win. Oh my gosh, everything is so gross. They left their magnets. So when you buy a house, you're supposed to clean it up. Not the case. There are beams here, and if I know my wife, these beams will not stay.
I like beams, but I don't like rando, like.
Yeah, I know these, not these beams. Tile's bad. Does anybody need a vitamin? Okay, or Splenda, there's some Splenda. What do we got here?
Are you literally touching stuff?
Yeah, I feel super gross about it, but we got sanitizer. Deviled eggs, anyone? I don't know what to do with myself. I feel so gross.
I think our kids would like the magnets.
Like touching anything, there are a lot of magnets. So if you need pest control, we're good. Which we might. These countertops.
They're like a laminate that's supposed to look like granite.
I'm just having a hard time getting past the filth.
I know.
Like, it's really
It doesn't
gross.
show up in the camera. Like that's what's crazy. So it's hard to see like the level of like dirt and grime. But I'm gonna get up close for you real quick here. I mean, this is really the condition of everything. Look under here even. What? You left a rug, thank you.
The blinds actually surprisingly are not in terrible condition.
Hey, there's a little friend for you out. If you can just give yourself a look up.
Oh, hello. Oh my gosh. This is the primary bedroom?
This is.
Okay.
What do you think about the size?
I think it's small.
I know, it's not
but
huge.
it's workable. I think it's big enough.
I think that it like will look bigger when furniture's in here. Like it's one of those spaces that you realize it's larger when there's actually furniture.
Yeah. Should be able to keep the drapery.
Yeah, the drapery stays. Because of like traffic patterns, such as this one, that is why we need to probably do wood flooring.
So the reason this house was on the market so long is just this part right here. That's what I've decided.
It's just the nasty carpet.
Oh, it's so bad. I did see in some pictures, now that I've seen they've left random things, I saw in some pictures that there was a stool of some sort in the shower. I was worried that would stay once I saw that items were left. Luckily it's not here.
I don't know, I'm pretty happy about the ivy.
But no, the decor's great. I feel like nothing to be done in here. Looks like we're good to go. Actually a really big closet.
Yeah.
The closet's really big. I think that's great. Did you reference that a door didn't shut?
This is the one.
This is the one?
You gonna see what you can do there? Oh.
Functional door.
Show that door who's boss.
It works. Okay, yeah, this isn't great. Little toilet area. Okay. So the flooring is linoleum. So that'll go.
It doesn't look that bad on video, but
Shower's gonna have to go.
it's linoleum.
So this room's pretty big. The pictures made it look a lot bigger, but maybe because I thought this room and the front room were actually part of the same area.
So you think is the house bigger than you thought, or?
It feels bigger because I thought it was all one big area, but that was those two big areas.
Yeah.
Where the mirror wall was and the room that has the TV on the floor. I thought those were this as well. So this is like a room I didn't even know existed from the pictures.
Good, okay.
I think that's good. Fireplace, that's good. I mean, that'll need some real work. Flooring throughout is pretty bad. We're gonna need to replace all of it, I think.
What is this, like a Pergo? Oh look, there's a Q-tip. That's gross.
Oh, wow. What do we have here? Got a laundry room. You know, if I need to write something down, do you know where I might find like a pencil sharpener in case my pencil's a little low?
What? Could that be a pencil sharpener? So conveniently located.
It is. Anytime I find myself doing laundry and needing a pencil frequently.
And they've got you covered.
So I think we're good.
Do you need a flashlight also?
Well, if I do, I know where to go. These are not salvageable. There was a family reunion in 1998 where this flyer was made and put on the wall.
Yes.
What year is it?
2021.
23 years?
So, yeah.
Okay, interesting.
We got some stuff like this too. I think that's the doorbell.
That's the doorbell, yeah. Okay, that shouldn't be hard. That's gross. The filter doesn't look terrible when you can see through it,
I think it's just
but the grate's really bad. It just needs to be cleaned up, I think. They left us a bed. I don't want to know anything about taking those sheets off or
What about
anything.
the like beauty pageant sash on the window?
Yeah, that is great.
It's like first runner up.
Yeah, in 98. That was for the family reunion. Nope, that one's out of the track, but I have to see if that can be done. Okay, well. Had Mollie not told me yesterday how gross it was, I think I would have been more surprised, but it was worse than I expected.
Even with my warning?
Yeah.
Little tiny closet.
Okay. Closet. Nice. That's good.
You like storage?
Yeah. Okay. Well, we're covered during construction with toilet paper. Half bath. I'll stand out here so you can actually see it.
It's a full bath, Lovey.
It's a full bath. I mean, it's pretty gross. Okay, it's really gross. Anything that can be salvaged here?
I actually think that the tub is, with a lot of, a bunch of Clorox, I think since it's cast iron, that it will be...
That's usable?
Yeah. And even the surround, it's just really neutral. I think we can leave that, and that will give us the budget for the other stuff we need in here. I think we should definitely replace the floor and new vanity, mirror, lights, all the fixtures, etc.
All right, well, it looks like this carpet was replaced at some point, though it's had the same usage pattern.
It's just not mauve.
Yeah, I don't know what mauve is.
It's a color that's kind of purplish like the other carpet.
All right, we are close to a golf course, so if you need a tee, we're good. Small bedroom. It's not big, but should work. All right, does this work? It looks like it works.
Are you nervous?
I'm terrified.
More scared than when we flipped our house?
Yep. All right. Something just fell down on me.
It's fine.
It was a
it's
scorpion?
It's an actual scorpion.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Right here.
This is the first scorpion I've seen since we moved here.
It fell on me, so we're good. I'm alive. Now you know. Outside. Looks good.
It's got a patio.
It's a good sized yard. I think we're
good size yard. Good for like.
I mean, for these small
want,
houses that are here. And so.
Because they do the yard maintenance for you here, which is great.
Yeah.
So I
it's
think.
an HOA. But yeah, not a lot of concrete, but yeah. It's been good. And
like a project.
A little concerned about the cost. So we'll see how that goes. Alrighty.